Hello everyone, this is Fazlur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you're enjoying my project videos. Today I brought you a new project on cloud computing domain in cybersecurity. This project also uses blockchain technology. Let us see what is the concept of the project. This is the landing page of the project and we have got so many elements here. Let me tell you what are the technologies we are using in this project. For front-end development, we have used HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. For backend programming, we are using Python along with the Django framework. We are using database MySQL here, and I have also used AWS real-time cloud database for this project. If you have the requirement of AWS, let me know. Now, to get started with the project execution, let's understand the project concept. For that, let me show you the research paper of this project. This is the research paper, security, okay, server security and cloud computing using blockchain. And this is the abstract wherein it says in the starting about the cloud service providers and what are the risk factors we will have, data breaching, data privacy, hack attacks will be there. Okay, most commonly for the sensitive data, data will be tampered, manipulated on the cloud servers. So these were the issues we were facing in the existing system. In proposed system, we are saying here we are implementing controlled access mechanism. Okay, using blockchain enables a prominent controlled access mechanism. What does it does? This mechanism accreditates the user to share personalized hyperlinks, which means we can generate here some sort of hyperlinks or say short URLs for our data in the blockchain to distribute it and to share it to the users. Okay. This approach logs details of all the actions and operations that are being done on or with the data and are at owner's disposal at all points. So these are all the information which we have in our abstract. Let me show you the data flow diagram here. This is the data flow diagram wherein it contains two different algorithms: file upload algorithm flowchart and file retrieval algorithm flowchart. In the file upload algorithm, you can see here in the start, after start, we have got input data. We have to provide the data here. Input password, we have to provide the password. Then we have to generate public key of that, encrypt the given password here. Okay, encrypt the given password. Then store the encrypted password at the beginning of the data file. We have to store this encrypted password at the beginning of the data file. What file we are uploading in the cloud, we have to store that in the beginning of the data. The password we have to store. Upload the data file to the cloud. Next, how to retrieve it. Start and input the file name, input password. If the password is wrong, then it will display an error message. If the password is correct, generate private key. Then read the encrypted password from the data file, decrypt the encrypted password. Next, match the given password and the decrypted password. Okay, what user has input the password and the generated decrypted password we need to match here. If everything goes fine, display the data file. So these two algorithms are implemented in the project. Let's see the project execution now. So we have got two different users in our project. First is the administrator, second is the user. For better smooth project execution, I will open these two users in different tabs. Let me go to admin in this tab, and for new user, I'll open in a new tab here. Let's go to user and try to register a new user here. Let's sign up a user, okay? Kindly provide a valid email ID because we are using email API here. We will receive some sort of email, not one, we will receive multiple. Okay, so let me give here the profile picture. Submit. Okay, successfully registered. And let's go to administrator now and log in with admin credentials. Admin login is successful. Now you can see here, there is one user whose status is pending. Okay, pending status is 1. Accepted status is 1. Okay, rejected is 0. Total number of users are 2. Let's go to user request here and check this user account is in pending state. Let's accept this user. Now here a mail will be sent to the user, okay, regarding the account activation. Let's go to our user module and try to log in here. Let me show you the mail is received or not about the account activation. Let's go to Gmail and check it. You can see here I have received the mail regarding the account activation. Okay. Now let's try to log in here with the same credentials of the user. Submit. The login is successful. Now here this is the dashboard. In my profile, you can see here my details are available. If I want, I can only change the password. Okay. No name, email, and status. Only password I can update here. Next, under my files, if I go here, nothing is available. No files are there. Let's go to upload files and try to upload file here. Upload file algorithm will be executed here. Let's provide the data, file name, password, something, confirm password. So what is the password we are providing? This password will be encrypted and it will be attached to this file, okay, in the beginning of the file. Let's try to upload the file. Some description. Let's submit. Private key has sent to your mail. The application response here, private key has been sent here. Let's go and check our mail. And you can see here I have received here private key and it's a file here. Okay, PEM file. Okay, private key file. Let's download this in the desktop. Now, let's go to my files. And here you can see there is a file. Let's click on download. And here, this is the file name. Now we have to provide the encrypted key file here. PEM file we have to input here. Let's upload it. Cloud data private.pem. Encrypt. Now the download key button is there. Let's download key. And the file download option is available. With this, the file will be downloaded. Okay, this is the file. This is the data file. Now, if we want, we can, as we are the owner of this file, for the security purpose, if we want to share this file to some other user, we can generate some sort of hyperlink here. Let's click on generate and now the hyperlink will be generated. Let's click on share here. When you click on share here, a dialog box will appear giving you the hyperlink. This you can copy it and you can access, anyone can access this. Okay, your file will be saved, but you can see a kind of template URL or cloned URL will be given to the users. Let's try to go to a new tab and try to access this file through the hyperlink which we have copied, paste it here, and please upload file. It says, let's go to this encrypted key and upload the file here, PEM file. Okay, this file should be there to that user as well. Okay, the file should be there. Not just having the URL is not enough. This PEM file has to be there with the user. If not, they cannot download. Let's click on encrypted key now. The download key button. Now the download option is available. You can see the download is available here. The download file. File is downloaded. Okay. Now let's go to our administrator and check here. Okay, control access management. Okay. You can see here this user is having a file with 1.9 KB, self download is 1 and users download is 1. Okay, he downloaded one time, owner downloaded one time and other users have downloaded one time. This is the control access mechanism we can do. How many times a particular file of mine has been downloaded by the users? We can check here. Let's go back to our user and log out. So this was a simple project explanation and execution. Hope you have understood it very clearly. And if you have still any doubts regarding the project explanation and execution, you can contact me directly to the number given, or you can ping me on WhatsApp as well. With this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.